2009 Impact and Collisions. We have a smooth sphere, P, mass M, moving with speed 2u. It collides directly with smooth sphere Q, moving in the same direction with mass 2m with speed u. E is equal to E here, and we'll let P and Q equal the speeds afterwards. So conservation of momentum, 2mu plus 2mu is equal to mp, not plus, equals mp plus 2mq. So 4u is equal to p plus 2q. Newton's experimental law, p minus q over 2u minus u, which is u is equal to minus e, so just write minus eu there, take the u off the bottom. And then down here we want 2q, so 2p minus 2q is equal to minus 2eu. So we have minus 2eu is equal to 2p minus 2q. So we get 3p is equal to 4u minus 2eu. So p is equal to 4u over 3 minus 2eu over 3. That's p. My equation for q. Q is equal to, from this equation, p plus eu. So q is going to be 4u over 3 minus 2/3 of eu plus a full one, so that's just plus a third of eu, or eu over 3. So that's p and q. Speeds afterwards. Prove that the speed of q increases after the collision. So q, the speed was u, so is 4u over 3 plus eu over 3, is that greater than u? Well, 4/3 of u is greater than u, and this eu over 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, speed increases. Apologies for the Man United commentary. And then find the value of E if the speed of P after collision is 10u over 9. So 4u over 3 minus 2eu over 3 is equal to 10u over 9. Dividing by u, we're going to get 10 over 9. Well, we're going to get 4 over 3 minus 10 over 9 is equal to 2e over 3. Multiplying by 9, we're going to get 12 minus 10 is equal to 6e. So 2 is equal to 6e. So e will have to be a third, 2 over 6. And what else? That's it.